The Littmind set of glass is 12 sheets of 4 by 6 mosaic glass. I also use it for stained glass projects. And the question that I always have when I'm buying glass online is it going to arrive in one piece or is it going to be broken? And what do the colors actually look like when you pull it out of the box? So you'll see that I did an unboxing for you to show you how they pack the glass and also what the colors look like as they come out of the box. So this set of 12 is beautiful. I'm starting a new project and wanted some reds and oranges, and so went with this set. And you can see that they come packed in the box vertically with little styrofoam inserts in between them. None of the glass was broken, which is excellent, especially given the amount of shipping and number of people that touch every box, right? And the colors are really pretty. They are as vibrant or maybe even better than the pictures on the listing. So if you're looking for some glass for a new project, this is one that I recommend. Showed up in one piece and the colors are very pretty. I hope that helps.